Hello everyone, welcome back to Techno Waves, your one-stop channel for the latest tech updates and gadget reviews. If you are troubling about your internal storage, so this video is for you. So today we are looking at a compact high-speed storage solution, the HP Portable SSD P500 drive. So let's unbox. So whether you are a student, content creator or just someone who needs fast and reliable storage, so this drive might be exactly what you need. So on the box, this drive comes about 500 GB of storage, and yeah, it's slim and sleek, durability and some you can see here. It's compatible with Microsoft Windows and macOS, USB Type-C or USB Type-C 3.1 or above, and some specifications. So let's check it out. Inside the box we get this SSD itself and a USB Type-C to Type-C cable and a USB Type-C to Type-A adapter, which is great because it works with both modern and older devices. And right inside it has some manual book how to use and all. Yep, that's it. This drive feels very premium and super light, weighing just around 45 grams. About its design and build quality, this HP 500 features a sleek aluminum casing with a matte blue finish that not only looks stylish but also helps with heat dissipation. It comes in multiple colors like in blue and black, and it has capabilities from 250 GB to 1 TB, and this portable SSD drive is of 500 GB. It is very easy to connect. Just insert this Type-C, connect to inside this, and you can easy to connect or plug in your Type-C laptops, or it may be phones. So very easy to use. It is perfect for transferring large files like videos or game backups. This drive is a lifesaver. It's way faster than a regular USB flash drive and much more reliable. About its compatibility and usage, this P500 drive works flawlessly with Windows, Mac operating system or Android, and even gaming consoles like PlayStations. Just plug it and you are ready to go. So no setup needed. Plus, it's shock resistant, which makes it ideal for travel. So guys, if you need a fast, reliable and portable SSD without spending much, so yes, it's a solid pick. Whether you are editing videos, backing up files or expanding your console storage, so this P500 delivers best. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, so don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can never miss a video from Techno Waves. So drop your questions in the comments and I will catch you in the next one. Until then, stay tuned.